everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a DirectX error for Black Ops 6. Luckily it's very easy to solve, so watch the video if you're interested. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your graphics drivers are updated, your Windows updates are all installed, and DirectX updates are also installed, and that will make sure that you don't have any issues on that side. You can also force DirectX 11 to run on Steam by right-click the game, click Properties, and hit -DX11. So try that first to see if that works or not if you're on Steam. If you're not on Steam, what you want to do is first verify the game files. If you're on Xbox, right-click Manage, click Files, verify and repair, and make sure no files are missing or anything like that. And if you're on Steam, you want to right-click, click on Properties, go to Installed File, and click on Verify Integrity of Files. As long as you've done that, what you want to do is boot up the game. So let me boot up the game now. And there are a couple of in-game settings that you want to change. So now that you're here, you boot up the game, you want to click on Settings, click on Graphics, and scroll down until you see Restart Shaders Preloading. Click on this and reload the shaders. That is a problem for a lot of people. After you've done this, click on the VRAM scale target, and you want to make sure this is about 60 just to be safe. Default, I think it's 80 or 85, but anything above 70 and it starts to bug. Now, after you've done both of those things and it still hasn't fixed, what you want to do is try using the NVIDIA app. So I have it here, but it's called the NVIDIA app. If you Google it, you can download it. So open it up like this, go to System, go to go to Performance, and here it says Power Maximum Percentage. You want to click this to 90%. And this seems to fix it for a lot of people. And the last method is to run the game as administrator. If you're on Xbox Gamepass, that means you want to right-click on Manage, Files, Browse, find Call of Duty, find Content, scroll down until you see COD.exe. And you want to right-click and say Run as Administrator. You want to find the executable if you're on Steam or Battle.net, and right-click and Run as Administrator, or you can right-click and say Properties, Compatibility, run this program as administrator, apply OK. And it will run as administrator, and that will fix some issues. And that is it. If this video was helpful for you, I'll leave the video a like. If it wasn't helpful for you, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.